Greg has given me two things. The most freedom I've ever had in my career to produce, um, and probably the largest challenge. And those two are go together simultaneously. And you sort of think about land art and you think about installation, so much that is dictated by what already exists. A lot of it's responsive. Um, you know, through responding, you find out who you are, you find out what's going on through that responsiveness. And for 25 years, I wanted a big white room with the best lighting in the world and no restrictions. And I'd be damned if I didn't get it. And like,